Have you ever dreamed of running a business that doesn't tie you to an office, lets you reach customers worldwide, and grows while you sleep? That's the promise of an online business. But where do you start? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the essential strategies to launch and grow an online business, even if you've never done it before. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Online Business, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes& Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Starting an online business isn't just about building a website, it's about creating a system that delivers value to customers while generating revenue. Whether you want a side hustle, a full-time venture, or passive income, the right approach will save you time, money, and frustration. Here are 7 key steps to set you on the path to online business success. Step number 1, identify a profitable niche. The first step is finding a niche that aligns with your skills, interests, and market demand. A profitable niche is one where people have problems that they're willing to pay to solve. For example, fitness enthusiasts might sell workout plans while parents may look for educational resources for kids. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to stand out and connect with your ideal audience. Step number 2, research your target audience. Knowing your audience is critical. Who are they? What are their pain points? Where do they spend time online? Conduct surveys, join forums, or analyze competitors to understand their needs. For example, if you want to sell productivity tools, you might find that busy professionals prefer quick, actionable guides they can implement immediately. Audience research ensures your offerings hit the mark. Step number 3, create a valuable product or service. Your business is only as strong as what you offer. Whether it's a digital course, an ebook, software, or consulting services, focus on delivering real value. Start small with a minimum viable product, MVP, to test demand. For instance, you might launch a simple ebook first before creating a full video course. Quality and relevance build trust, repeat customers, and referrals. Step number 4, build an online presence. You need a platform to connect with your audience. This could be a website, social media profiles, email lists, or online marketplaces. For example, Shopify or WordPress makes creating a professional website easier than ever. Social media channels like Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn allow you to share content, engage your audience, and promote products. A strong online presence is the foundation of visibility and credibility. Step number 5, drive traffic and generate leads. Even the best product won't sell if no one knows about it. Traffic generation is essential. Use SEO, social media marketing, email campaigns, and even paid ads to reach your target audience. For example, writing blog posts optimized for search engines can attract visitors organically over time, while targeted ads can drive immediate traffic. Consistent promotion is key to building an audience and growing sales. Step number 6, convert visitors into customers. Once people visit your site or page, you need to turn them into paying customers. Use clear calls to action, persuasive copy, testimonials, and free trials or samples. For example, an online course might offer a free mini lesson to entice signups for the full program. Conversion strategies focus on making it easy and compelling for your audience to take action. Step number 7, analyze, optimize, and scale. Success in online business is ongoing. Track metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, email engagement, and sales performance. Tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and email dashboards help. For example, if a blog post generates high traffic but low sales, tweak the call to action or product positioning. Over time, these adjustments help you scale efficiently and maximize profits. Example section, a beginner's online business journey. Let's imagine Sarah, who loves graphic design. She identifies her niche, creating social media templates for small businesses. She researches her audience, discovering that many small business owners struggle with visual branding. She creates an MVP, a set of 10 templates she sells on Etsy. She builds a website, promotes her templates on Instagram, and collects emails for future launches. Within a few months, Sarah's online business generates consistent income, and she's able to reinvest in new designs. This example shows that with focus and strategy, anyone can start an online business from scratch. How expert tip: start with one revenue stream at a time. Many beginners try to sell multiple products or jump into all marketing channels at once. Instead, focus on one revenue stream and one platform initially. Perfect it, then expand. For example, start with an ebook or online course on one platform before adding a YouTube channel, blog, or paid ads. This approach prevents overwhelm and accelerates growth. When you follow these steps, online business stops feeling overwhelming and becomes a structured, actionable process. You'll gain clarity, confidence, and momentum while building a business that can generate real income and flexibility in your life. Your challenge. This week, brainstorm 3 ideas for your online business based on your skills, interests, or passions. Validate them with quick research, like checking search trends or competitor offerings, and pick one to take action on. That first step is the foundation of your future online business. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out How Expert Guide to Online Business, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. How Expert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.